Hello.
Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Good morning. All of you, please come to the front. Those who are sitting in the last benches. The board is not visible. Please come to the front. Occupy the front benches. These all are empty. See, if you are sitting in the last, there is no use. You are not going to understand anything. So because the board has to be visible. From here, it is not visible. Yes, please occupy the front benches. Yes. My sincere request is whenever I'm teaching something, please listen carefully. First thing is, this is the subject we are teaching in the GATE point of view. Some of the students, you may know the concepts, but some of the people, they don't know the concepts. I am going to teach from the starting level onwards in the GATE point of view, not the theory point of view first. Very starting level to high level. Everybody should respond whenever I was asking any question or whenever I am giving any question. You have to do the problem. You have to try the problem, then I will tell you the answer. Okay. So it is a two-way communication. It is not a one-way communication. I am simply teaching whatever I want. If you are not listening anything, then there is no use of my teaching. First understand. If you are not learning anything, then there is no use of teaching here. So my sincere request is participate 100% here. Whenever I will give the question, so from starting page to last page, everybody should do. It's not only the this class is not only for only few students. Some of the students anyway they will learn. Some 10% of students anyway they will learn if I'm not teaching also. But this is actually we are teaching for the all the students. That is why everybody should respond. This is my first request. If you, I will give the question in middle, I will give you some break and you have to do the problem. You have to show that problem. I will not continuously teach. Because if I am teaching continuously also, you will get bored. This is a first request. And coming to GATE exam. So this class is for completely for the any competitive examination, not only GATE, UGC NET, AP set. We have a many competitive examinations in computer science or any CRT trainings, any like a placement drives. It will be useful because subject knowledge is very, very important. Now, this subject knowledge we need to apply in the form of questions, objective type questions. For theory exams anyway, what you will do? You will write something. If you know or if you don't know, you can try and you will do. But coming to the GATE exams, we have a negative marking system. So if you know the answer perfectly, genuinely, you will get good score. Otherwise, you will not get. So before I am going to this data structure subject, first of all, why we need to, as a graduate student, why you have to write the GATE exam? First point. First, try to understand importance of the GATE. Why we need to write? Because if you are qualifying the GATE, so we have only core subjects in the GATE. general science as well as aptitude test as well as core subjects. These core subjects, we have this GATE exam will be actually useful in order to do the higher studies. But you are sitting here means you have to listen. My voice okay na? Voice. So let us start. If I am getting any disturbance means I will not teach.
Hello.
First one is before we writing any competitive examination, the preparation should be especially this GATE exam. Time management is very important because data structure subject is you already studied. You know some concepts, but here the main intention is within the short period of time. That means with the 2 or 3 minutes maximum, you will get a 2 or 3 minutes. In the 2 or 3 minutes of the time, you have to answer the question perfectly. That is what we need to improve. So for that, if you know data structure subject normally, then you are not going to answer the questions properly within the time. We need to follow some techniques and we need to follow some shortcuts also in while you are solving the questions. So first thing is we will start with the uh, very easy concepts and we will go very easily. Then we will slowly we will increase the complexity. First, try to understand what is in the data structure. In the data structure, C and data structure actually. Okay. In the GATE syllabus, we have a C and data structure. In C and data structure means we have a basic programming in C. We have a syllabus, programming in C, and we have a recursion, and we have a linear data structures as well as non-linear data structures. What are the linear data structures? Arrays, stack, linked list, and non-linear data structures are, what are the non-linear data structures? In the trees, graphs. We have the syllabus, by seeing the name, it is very easy. Okay. By seeing the syllabus, we will think that we know all the concepts. But what we need to learn here is, solving the problem. Mainly, you have almost 6 to 7 months of time is there. In the February, there is a GATE exam actually. So now you are having almost 6 to 7 months. What you have to do is, you have to, after explaining the concept, you have to practice a lot of questions. Example, I will take first one. How many of you know the tree definition? Please tell me. Tree definition. Tell me. You are studied non-linear data structures. Yes. Now tell me, what is a tree? Answer. What is a tree? The basic thing is, we have a tree, right? What is a tree? Can you anyone define what is tree? Most of the times we will see what is a tree. We have a tree. What questions we will get? What type of questions? In the definition point of view also, we will get some very topics. So questions, the way of asking is different. Tell me, can anyone tell me what is a tree definition? Just tell me whatever you know, you tell me. Tell me, anyone, just. What is a tree? Okay.
ఆల్రెడీ మీరు డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్ చదివారా చదవలేదా? చదివారు కదా, ఐడియా ఉంది కదా. ఓకే, సో ఒకసారి సార్ అడిగే క్వశ్చన్స్కి మనం మౌనవ్రతాలు చేస్తే ఉపయోగం లేదు. స్టడింగ్ అండ్ ఫైనలీ, ఓకే, డోంట్ హెసిటేట్ టు సే ఆన్సర్, నో ప్రాబ్లం విత్ ఇట్, రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్, నెవర్ మైండ్ దట్. బట్ మీరు ఏదైనా సమాధానం అన్నది చెప్తే ఆయన ముందుకు వెళ్ళడానికి ఉంటుంది. అర్థమైందా? లేదు అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకంటే సార్ ఫస్టే చెప్తున్నారు, మనకి డాటా స్ట్రక్చర్ మీద చెప్తున్నప్పుడు ఆయన రిలేటెడ్ గేట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ లో చెప్తున్నారు. సో గేట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ లో చెప్తున్నారు అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏంటంటే ఇది ఏదైతే పాయింట్స్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నామో ఈ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పాయింట్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టువర్డ్స్ యువర్ ప్లేస్మెంట్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఆల్సో అండ్ ఇట్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రిలేటెడ్ టు యువర్ గేట్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, సో మీరు వచ్చే ముందు కూడా కొద్దిగా ప్రిపరేషన్ చూడాలి, అసలు డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏంటి అన్నది కూడా అటు గో త్రూ దట్ టైం స్పెండ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, సో ఆయనతో మీరు మాట్లాడి ఇంటరాక్ట్ అయితే దెన్ విల్ గెట్ సమ్ ఐడియా అన్నమాట. అదర్వైజ్ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇది వన్ వే ట్రాఫిక్ లాగా, సార్ వస్తారు చెప్తూ ఉంటారు, మీరు వింటూ ఉంటారు, వెళ్ళిపోతాం, ఆ తర్వాత ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది డే నథింగ్ అన్నమాట. అర్థమైనా అర్థం కాలేదా? ఓకే, ఫీల్ ఫ్రీగా ఉండండి, అడిగిన దానికి ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవ్వండి. మీరు ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ కాదు. ఓకే, అవుతామా వద్దా? థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, యాక్చువల్లీ దే వెరీ గుడ్ సార్. సార్ ఆల్ very good percentage students, sir. We are offering GATE. My name is Ashwin Was, sir. I'm the GATE coordinator here. So these students who are you're addressing right now, around we having 800 students, sir. In that we pick some of them who are all clear, clear all the subjects, having a good percentage, 65, 70%, and going for getting a jobs also, sir. So I just want to address you. Why? Because you too know about them. సో వాళ్ళు క్వైట్గా మా వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు సార్, వాళ్ళని ఎలా బ్రేక్ చేయడమా అన్నది మరి మీకు నేను అప్ చెప్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే యాజ్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ గేట్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ, ఐ నో దట్ హౌ టు బ్రేక్ దెమ్. మనకి ఒకేసారి మనం అన్ని ఫార్ములాలు అడిగాం అనుకోండి సార్, మా వాళ్ళు చెప్పరు సార్. మీరు అదే 2+3 ఎంత చెప్పమన్నాం అనుకోండి, 5 అంటారండి. 5x10 ఎంత అంటే 30 అంటారండి. మనం ఎక్కడ నుండి, ఎందుకంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు బేసిక్ అదే సార్ మాది. ఓకేనా? రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Thank you, sir, for giving the motivation. So whenever I was asking any question, just I don't want to test you. So how much, you know, what points I have to add? That is what I am just asking. I am not judging you. If you are giving wrong answer, okay, give the wrong answer. No issues in that. Okay. So coming to now, tell me. Now same where I stopped. What is a tree definition? Very good. It is a non-linear data structure. That much we know. Okay. Very good, ma. And one చెప్తే ఈజీగా ఉంటది. It is a parent node and child nodes. Okay. Okay, branches, sub branches. Okay, that's it. And okay, now I will ask you. Now, okay. Anyway, branches are there and everything is there. Now I will give you this one. Is it a tree? Is it a tree? Why? Why it is not a tree? Why it is not a tree? There is no branches. Okay, I will connect like this. Then branches means. I have branches also. Is it a tree? Now tell me why. What is the perfect technically the right answer for the tree? What we need to check for the tree means? First condition. These are all theory part. Okay. Linear data structure, it will have a nodes and some branches. This is a workout for only theory exams. It will not work for the gate point of view. When you are preparing for the gate point of view, you have to write, you have to understand what is the concept. Don't try hard here. Okay. Now give me the conditions. Give me the conditions now. First condition. First condition is it is a non. అది ఓకే అయిపోయింది, అది కండిషన్ కాదు, అది జస్ట్ ఒక పాయింట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ నాన్ లీనియర్ డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్, ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఏ కండిషన్. ఓకే, కండిషన్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద కండిషన్? ఇట్ షుడ్ బి నాన్ cyclic. What is? It is a if it is forming a cycle, that is why it is not a tree. Not by seeing the structure. Understand? Why it is not a tree? It is forming a cycle. Cycle means here we have started with A, B, C, D, and we end up with the same thing. A, B, C, D, and we are end up with the A. So what is the condition it is? A tree should be non-cyclic nature. That is the first condition. And one more condition. You tell me. I want one more condition. There is a one more condition is there. Andaru involve avvali ikkada. Andaru involve avvali. First condition is what? Non-cyclic. Second condition is what? No. Parent child anyway. Okay, that is just a structure only. You are giving only the structure. I want some more condition. See, if I want to say that whether it is a tree or not, we are checking it is a, first thing is non-cyclic nature. If it is a cyclic means I can say that simply it's not a tree. Second condition. Second condition, write down. First condition is it is non-cyclic. Second condition is, what is the second condition? Observe cheyandi. Just observe it. Observe it. Now, is it a tree or not? Hello? Is it a tree or not? Yes. Okay. Is it a tree or not? Yes. Is it a tree or not? No. Why no? Why no? Tree means it should not be always in the tree format only. Tree means it need not be always in the tree format only. That's why you have to check the conditions, not by seeing the structure of the graph. Structure of that. We have a different structures. But what we need to follow? We need to see the conditions. Now, check for the common conditions. What are the conditions that is going to work out for that? Tell me. Observe that all the trees, all the three diagrams. We have a three diagrams like this is diagram A and B and C. What is the common property we have in that?